Are you considering Tresiba as a treatment option for diabetes but concerned about the potential side effects? Look no further. In this comprehensive guide, we dive deep into the world of Tresiba, shedding light on its side effects and how to effectively manage them. Tresiba is a popular long-acting insulin that helps control blood sugar levels in people with diabetes. While it offers numerous benefits, it is important to be aware of the potential side effects that may arise. This video aims to provide you with the unveiled truth about Tresiba's side effects, ensuring you have all the information you need to make an informed decision. Common side effects of Tresiba. When starting any new medication, it is crucial to be aware of the potential common side effects that may occur. Tresiba is no exception. While these side effects are generally mild and manageable, it is still important to recognize them. One of the most common side effects of Tresiba is hypoglycemia, or low blood sugar. This can happen if the dose of Tresiba is too high or if you skip meals or engage in excessive physical activity without adjusting your insulin dose. Symptoms of hypoglycemia include dizziness, sweating, confusion, and hunger. It is essential to monitor your blood sugar levels regularly and have a plan in place to treat hypoglycemia if it occurs. Another common side effect of Tresiba is injection site reactions. These can manifest as redness, swelling, or itching at the site of injection. While these reactions are generally mild and resolve on their own, it is important to practice proper injection technique and rotate injection sites to minimize the risk of these reactions. In addition to hypoglycemia and injection site reactions, other common side effects of Tresiba may include weight gain, headache, and upper respiratory tract infections. These side effects are generally temporary and should subside as your body adjusts to the medication. Managing common side effects of Tresiba. Now that we have discussed the common side effects of Tresiba, let's explore some effective strategies for managing them. To prevent hypoglycemia, it is crucial to monitor your blood sugar levels regularly. Work closely with your healthcare provider to determine the appropriate Tresiba dose for your specific needs. If you experience symptoms of hypoglycemia, such as dizziness or confusion, consume a fast-acting source of glucose, such as fruit juice or candy, to raise your blood sugar levels quickly. It is also a good idea to carry a source of glucose with you at all times in case of emergencies. To minimize injection site reactions, ensure that you are using the correct injection technique. Cleanse the injection site with alcohol before injecting, and avoid injecting into areas with visible signs of redness or irritation. Additionally, rotate injection sites to give each area time to heal. If you experience persistent or severe injection site reactions, consult your healthcare provider for further guidance. Weight gain is a common concern with insulin therapy, including Tresiba. To manage weight gain, it is important to maintain a healthy diet and engage in regular physical activity. Focus on consuming a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins. Incorporating regular exercise, such as walking or cycling, into your daily routine can also help manage weight gain associated with insulin therapy. It is important to remember that everyone's experience with Tresiba may vary. If you are experiencing any of these common side effects and they are affecting your quality of life, consult your healthcare provider for further guidance. They may be able to adjust your dosage or provide additional strategies to manage these side effects effectively. Seeking medical help for serious side effects of Tresiba. While rare, it is essential to be aware of the more serious side effects of Tresiba that may require immediate medical attention. Allergic reactions to Tresiba are rare but can occur. Signs of an allergic reaction may include hives, itching, difficulty breathing, or swelling of the face, lips, tongue, or throat. If you experience any of these symptoms after using Tresiba, seek immediate medical attention. Your healthcare provider will be able to evaluate your symptoms and provide appropriate treatment. Another serious side effect of Tresiba is pancreatitis, inflammation of the pancreas. Symptoms of pancreatitis may include severe abdominal pain that radiates to the back, nausea, and vomiting. If you experience these symptoms, it is crucial to seek medical help immediately, as pancreatitis can be a life-threatening condition. It is important to note that these serious side effects are rare, and the benefits of Tresiba generally outweigh the risks. However, it is essential to be vigilant and seek medical help if you experience any concerning symptoms while taking Tresiba. Tips for minimizing Tresiba side effects. While side effects are a possibility with any medication, there are several tips and strategies you can employ to minimize Tresiba's side effects. First and foremost, communication with your healthcare provider is key. They are your partner in managing your diabetes and can provide valuable insights and guidance on managing any side effects you may experience with Tresiba. Be open and honest about your concerns and symptoms, as they can help tailor your treatment plan to minimize side effects. Secondly, ensure that you are using Tresiba as prescribed. Follow the instructions provided by your healthcare provider regarding dosage, timing of injections, and any additional recommendations. Consistency is essential when it comes to managing diabetes and minimizing side effects. Additionally, practicing good injection technique can help minimize injection site reactions. Cleanse the injection site properly, use a new needle for each injection, and rotate injection sites to prevent irritation. If you are unsure about proper injection technique, consult your healthcare provider or a diabetes educator for guidance. Monitoring your blood sugar levels regularly is crucial for managing side effects such as hypoglycemia. Keep a log of your blood sugar readings and share them with your healthcare provider during your appointments. This will help them assess the effectiveness of your treatment plan and make any necessary adjustments. Lastly, maintaining a healthy lifestyle can go a long way in managing Tresiba side effects. Focus on consuming a balanced diet, engaging in regular physical activity, and managing stress. These lifestyle factors can not only help minimize side effects but also improve overall diabetes management. Lifestyle changes to manage Tresiba side effects. In addition to the tips mentioned earlier, making certain lifestyle changes can further aid in managing Tresiba side effects. One of the most important lifestyle changes for managing Tresiba side effects is adopting a healthy diet. Aim to consume a variety of nutrient-dense foods, including fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Avoid excessive consumption of sugary and processed foods, as these can contribute to weight gain and negatively affect blood sugar control. Regular physical activity is another crucial aspect of managing Tresiba side effects. Engaging in aerobic exercises, such as brisk walking, jogging, or cycling, can help improve insulin sensitivity, promote weight loss, and enhance overall well-being. Aim for at least 150 minutes of moderate-intensity exercise per week, and consult your healthcare provider before starting any new exercise program. Stress management is also vital for minimizing Tresiba side effects. High levels of stress can affect blood sugar levels and contribute to weight gain. Find healthy outlets for stress, such as practicing mindfulness, deep breathing exercises, yoga, or engaging in hobbies that bring you joy. Prioritizing self-care and relaxation can help improve overall diabetes management and reduce the impact of Tresiba side effects. Alternative medications for Tresiba with fewer side effects. While Tresiba is a commonly prescribed long-acting insulin, there are alternative medications available with potentially fewer side effects. It is important to discuss these options with your healthcare provider to determine the best treatment plan for your specific needs. One alternative to Tresiba is Levemir, another long-acting insulin. Levemir has been shown to have a lower risk of hypoglycemia compared to Tresiba. However, it is important to note that individual responses to medications may vary, and what works for one person may not work for another. Your healthcare provider will be able to assess your specific situation and make appropriate recommendations. Another alternative is the use of insulin pumps. Insulin pumps deliver a continuous supply of insulin, eliminating the need for multiple daily injections. This can help minimize the risk of injection site reactions and provide more precise insulin delivery. However, insulin pumps may not be suitable for everyone, and it is important to discuss this option with your healthcare provider to determine if it is the right choice for you. FAQs about Tresiba side effects. Can Tresiba cause weight gain? Yes, weight gain is a common side effect of Tresiba. However, it is important to maintain a healthy lifestyle and engage in regular physical activity to manage weight gain effectively. How can I prevent hypoglycemia while taking Tresiba? To prevent hypoglycemia, monitor your blood sugar levels regularly, and work closely with your healthcare provider to determine the appropriate Tresiba dose for your specific needs. Have a plan in place to treat hypoglycemia if it occurs, such as consuming a fast-acting source of glucose. What should I do if I experience injection site reactions with Tresiba? If you experience injection site reactions, ensure that you are practicing proper injection technique. Cleanse the injection site with alcohol before injecting and rotate injection sites to allow each area to heal. If the reactions persist or worsen, consult your healthcare provider for further guidance. Are there any alternative medications to Tresiba with fewer side effects? Yes, there are alternative medications available, such as Levemir or insulin pumps. Discuss these options with your healthcare provider to determine the best treatment plan for you. Conclusion. In conclusion, understanding the potential side effects of Tresiba is crucial when considering it as a treatment option for diabetes. While common side effects such as hypoglycemia and injection site reactions are manageable, it is important to be aware of the rarer but more serious side effects, such as allergic reactions and pancreatitis, that may require immediate medical attention. By following the tips and strategies provided in this guide, you can effectively manage Tresiba side effects and improve your overall diabetes management. Remember to communicate openly with your healthcare provider, practice good injection technique, monitor your blood sugar levels regularly, and make necessary lifestyle changes to minimize side effects. Ultimately, the decision to use Tresiba or explore alternative medications should be made in consultation with your healthcare provider, taking into consideration your individual needs and treatment goals. With the right knowledge and support, you can confidently navigate the world of Tresiba and take control of your diabetes management journey. Thanks for watching.